3, 2, 1, go.
I'm just gonna get over here.
I'm just gonna get down here. Hello. I'm gonna get back here.
Did I mention that the Easter Bunny's a really good hopper?
What? Okay. I'm gonna get down here.
What's up?
Oh. And here you go. And here you go. Oh, come.
Come on. Hey. If you like it.
No, thank you. You can eat.
Oh, I'm running out of space.
No one's put these behind the jar.
No one spotted a few of them.
Oh.
I can see a bunch from where I'm sitting.
Is it time to slow down?
Over here! Nope, nope. I thought it was over there. Oh, there!
Oh my god. Teddy scared me for a second. Sorry. Bendy,
Okay, mine is nearly full.
Same. Same. Seth, is yours? You can say.
Claire.
It's on. Oh,
Did you need some help? Right,
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Okay, can't come into any water.
I touched it.
Can I get one?
Smalls,
And what did the one come
Can I
say?
get one?
Shorty, Munchkin,
Monster.
Oh, I'll get that one for
and
you.
Teeny.
Teeny. Thanks.
Small.
By the way, Seth, it's a nice one. Thank you. Okay.
My egg.
Mummy, I'm giving Seth some of mine since he doesn't have enough.
Can everybody shout Happy Easter?
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Why does that always happen to me now?